Mae gin Botanegol Brodorol Dyfi PGI yn gin crefft sy'n llawn nodweddion unigryw biosffer Dyfi, safle UNESCO yn y canolbarth. Mae'r gin hwn wedi'i greu gydag o leiaf 17 o blanhigion o'r ardal. Mae rhain yn cael eu casglu mewn ffordd gynaliadwy ac yn diffinio cymeriad a blas y gwirod arbennig hwn.
My name's Danny Cameron, and along with my brother Pete, we founded the Dyfi distillery here in mid-Wales several years ago now, and with the ambition of making something of both the highest quality, but also something which is very married towards our landscape. We're producing gin here, but we're producing gin which is dominated by an abundance of local flora, and really we're working in a valley which is now recognised by UNESCO as a World Biosphere Reserve, but really it's just a culmination of what poets and painters have known for generations in this area of its uniqueness and natural beauty. And what we're trying to do is just harness all of that ourselves into a bottle of botanical spirit, which is Dyfi Native Botanical Gin.
Mae creu gin yn grefft, a dyna sydd wrth galon y gwirod hwn. Caiff gin Botanegol Brodorol Dyfi ei gynhyrchu mewn sypiau bach gan ddefnyddio dulliau traddodiadol. Felly dim ond y blasau mwyaf pur ac aromatig o'r planhigion sy'n aros yn yr hylif clir.
We currently use 38 different plant materials, 38 different botanicals at the distillery here, and the vast majority of those come from just within a handful of miles of where the distillery is. Some things are more labour intensive than others. It's unquestionably more work than making a regular gin, that's for sure, but we're not trying to produce a regular gin here. Having GI status can only really be a good thing for what we're doing here and help raise awareness of Dyfi Native Botanical Gin being so provenance-based and produced to such a strict and high quality. And it just helps us get that message out there really, and so that for people enjoying our gin, whether in the UK or abroad, they can just have a very clear sense that they're getting something which isn't something you get from elsewhere. Yeah, we can recognise the UK GI scheme as being a method of independent quality control and method of guaranteeing provenance and traceability, and that is absolutely what we're all about.
Mae gin Botanegol Brodorol Dyfi yn fwy na gwirod. Mae'n adlewyrchu harddwch naturiol, diwylliant ac amgylchedd y fro. Yn berffaith ar gyfer unrhyw un sydd am fwynhau profiad gin go iawn, ac mae blas unigryw biosffer Dyfi i'w flasu ym mhob diferyn.